I think I'm gonna have to go stand at the bus stop, get stressed up, stand at the bus stop, and just blow kisses at all the cute bus drivers that stop. How you doing? What's up, sarsaparillas? It's your girl Sassy J, and I am back with another video. Yes guys, I am back with another video, and this video has been way overdue. So guys, I wanted to try the brow stamp, guys. So I've been seeing this going over. It's the eyebrow powder, and I've been seeing on TikTok. I just see people doing it, and I just wanted to see whether it actually works, because I'm such a skeptical person. Okay, so I bought this a while back, and I never got around to actually trying it because I wanted to do like a video for you guys, okay? But I never got around to doing it. But today is the day, okay? Today is the day. But yes, guys, before I get into this video and try to do something with this, try it out, please go ahead and give my video a thumbs up. Yes guys, please like the video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that subscription button. Yes guys, turn the red button into gray, turn the subscribe into subscribed. Yes guys, and when you do subscribe to my channel, please turn on your notification bell. It's the only way you're gonna get an update when this girl, okay, Sassy J, moi, yours truly, upload another video. But anyways guys, yes, please go ahead and subscribe and like the video. So now let me try this. I got this one from Amazon. Okay, was it Amazon? Yes, I did. Got it from Amazon. I bring it up as close as I can to you. That's the one I've got, and I think I got it in a dark brown. I did open it, but I didn't actually look at it. Like, I opened the box to see what it looked like. So that's the one that I've got here. And then I noticed it had like the two stoolies, guys. So it has the two stoolies. And it came, yes, guys. So it came with these as well, which is like the stencils. Oh, crap. Which is like the stencils, guys. So I'm guessing you're meant to try and find one that matches your brows perfectly. And I don't know, guys, if I'm gonna find something. I mean, it's a good amount. There's quite a lot in there, so hopefully I can find one that matches my brow. I probably should have. Should I? Let me do that first. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna see if I can find. There's so many, guys. Like, there's so many different ones. I don't know. I think maybe this one matches my brow a little bit. Let me see. Oh. No, I think that's my brow. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Gotta find one that actually matches my brow. Why did I not take the thing off? Like, is that my brow? It's not ideally it, but it's close. Let me try this one. Because this is probably not the best brow to do it on, because I got the piercing on this brow. So this is probably not the best brow. I probably should have done it on the other brow. Oh, maybe this one's not bad. Let me see. I'll try it on the other brow, guys, because knowing me, with that piercing, do you know what? I think this is actually quite a good match. This is actually quite a good match to my brow. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with this one. There's quite a lot there. Okay, so the first thing is, guys, like, I'm not going to lie, it's kind of hard to hold this. Like, let me take this off. It's hard to hold that in place. And this is what it looks like, guys. So, see it there? So I'm guessing that the powder there. It's got the lid, but I'm guessing you probably just dust that off. But yeah, it's kind of hard to hold this. Like, can't imagine just holding this. I would have wanted my brows a little bit more shapier, but I haven't done anything to my brows in forever, guys. So don't judge the bushiness. Even though I wouldn't say my brows is too bushy, because I don't have much hair. Okay, so they say you do it, you dab, not rub. So you dab, not rub. Shit, I don't want it to be too dark. Okay. Okay. I must say, I really hate the whole idea of, oh shit, it's out of place, but it looks good. Let's see that again. I don't like the idea of holding it. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. Oh, it's not bad. It's not too bad. Do you know what, guys? I'm gonna fix it up. I wanted to do this video without makeup purely because every time I see them do people doing it, they have makeup on, and I don't trust whether they, you know, just need it up with the makeup or it's actually, you know, the product itself. Okay, this is not the way I want my brow to look. Maybe I didn't choose the best shape of it, because I like, well, maybe that's the shape of my brows naturally, to be honest, because this is the closest one that fits. But when I do my brows, usually I arch them a lot, so I'm gonna do that. But I do think this is a good I think it does a good job. It's quite neat and tidy. Of course, I think I'd have to put some more here, but I won't use a stencil when I do that, because I want it to be a little bit more natural. So I'll do it like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it with a different stencil. I should have actually taken out my makeup brushes, but I wanted to do it without any of that. I suppose I did it way too dark. This is a dark brown. I'm wondering if I've gone too much, but I'm guessing it will look okay with makeup. I'm going to try a different stencil, guys. A stencil that is going to be more arched, I think. I'm going to try it with this one. Let me see if this will work. I'm going to try with this one because I think my brows naturally is similar to this shape here. But I never actually, do you see it? But I never actually do my brows that low. I like to arch my brows. So I'm going to try it with this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to see what it looks like with makeup, because obviously it looks very, very dark. And I don't know if it's just me that's chosen the wrong shade or I've just overdone it. So this time I'm going to try not to put too much on. I bloody hate this whole fixing things. I never actually use these, only because I'm just not a patient person, okay? Look at me, struggling with this thing. I'm not a patient person when it comes to holding a stencil in place. Like, I do not really, you know, work with that very well. So I'm gonna try not to do it as much. Don't want too much at the front. Want it to be at the front, but not too much at the front. Okay, so I'm trying to do it a bit lighter than I did last time. More here and not as much up here. Okay. Okay, so let me do this with this here. Okay, so this is more of how I would actually shape my brow. A bit higher with this. And I'm gonna try this with the makeup on, guys. I probably won't do my makeup on camera. I quite like this stencil, this one here, because it's a bit higher. And that's how I would like it. I like when my brows look a little bit natural. And also I wanted to see what it looked like if I wasn't going to wear any makeup. So this is clearly not something that I would use if I wasn't wearing any makeup. Clearly would not use this. But yeah, so this is the one that I prefer. Guys, what do you think? I prefer this one because I like how arched it is at the end here compared to this one. But I'm going to keep it just like that, guys. God, I look weird. But I'm going to keep it just like this. I'm going to put some makeup on. And I'm going to see which side I prefer. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I am back. So I just went and put on some quick makeup. I have not touched the brows, okay? I haven't touched the brows because I wanted to see, you know, how it was when I got my makeup on. I didn't want to even tone it down until I got my makeup on. I probably will turn down, if I was to wear this, I think this is actually quite okay, guys. Let me know which one you think. That's like that here. That's not bad, and the shade is not that bad. I would just have to Probably go a bit more fuller on the eyes, go a bit darker in my eyeliner maybe as well. And that is more kind of natural. I'm more this kind of person on a normal day-to-day, but I do prefer this stencil. I think I do prefer this one, but it's not actually that bad, guys, considering like I said, I didn't do any toning at all. So I haven't touched my brows, but I haven't actually touched my brows, guys, apart from when I first like put them on and then I use a stoolie to kind of tone the front down a little bit. But what do you think? I like it. I actually like it. Do you know what? I didn't want to go over top of the makeup because I'm not going anywhere. Girl's not going anywhere, okay? So this makeup is gonna go to waste. I think I'm gonna have to go stand at the bus stop, get stressed up, stand at the bus stop, and just blow kisses at all the cute bus drivers that stop. How you doing? Guys, I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna blow kisses at the bus drivers. Dear me, okay? Dear me. But anyways, guys, I think it's okay. And I went for the dark brown. Let me show you again what it looks like, the one that I went for. Yeah, so I went for the dark brown, and I'm glad I did, because I watched other people when they were saying, you know, if there's like a dark gray, go for the dark gray. I don't like to go for black brows because I think it's always too harsh. For me, I probably will still tone this down just a tiny bit, but like I said, depends on where you're going, basically. Because if I'm going on a night out, then I don't mind my brows being dark, you know, but I would just have to make my inside of my eyes very dark, and then really kind of stronger lips instead of my lip gloss. Okay, so okay, guys, but I do actually like this. I think it's nice. I mean, I probably would blend it down a little bit, maybe I don't know, but let's do the test. Okay, so there's nothing coming off on my fingers. Can you see my fingers? There's nothing coming off. Trying to find the camera. So I guess that is good, and it's not that bad. Comment down below, let me know what you think. I like it. I do like it, and I think I didn't pay much for this. I don't know how much I paid, but I don't think it was £10. It was quite cheap, about $6.99 or something like that, guys. I don't actually remember. I will have to check, and when I do find out, I'll probably type the price in somewhere. But if you do like it and you want to try it, it's this one. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, guys, but that's the one that I got. And I think it's quite nice. Like I said, it comes with a lot of stencils, and you get the 2 stoolies, and I think I look fabulous, honey. I can't with me, guys. But anyways, guys, I've come to the end of this video. So if you haven't yet, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. But overall, my review, guys, I do like this product. At first I was thinking no, too dark, but I do like it. I think this is the right stencil for me. I could go darker, like I said, if I wanted to go darker, because this one's a bit darker than this. I could build that up anyways, but I definitely do like it, and it doesn't seem to move so far. Obviously, if you wipe a tissue or something, you'll probably will see residue on it, but I'm not gonna go do that. But yes, guys, I think it's nice. I think the color for me is right as well, the perfect color for me. I think with the amount of stencils that's in there, you're bound to find something that will match your eyebrow shape. I'm not gonna lie to you. I hate this. Good. Better. But yes, guys, that's my overall review. I do like the product. It's something I'm going to continue to use. I'm going to put it into my makeup kit, my makeup bag, and I'm going to continue using it. So I think it's much easier, and it was really quick as well. Just dab, dab, dab. I'm not going to lie. I was just like, this thing ain't working. I bet this thing won't work. I'm such a skeptical biatch. But I really didn't think it was going to work. But it worked. So if you want to try it, I'll put the link in the description so you can go ahead and try it out. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. But for now, keep it sassy-licious.